In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and edit your Google Drive files offline. This can be incredibly useful for those moments when you don't have access to the internet but still need to work on important documents. To start, you've got to ensure that you're connected to the internet and are using either the Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browser. These browsers support the necessary features to get this setup working smoothly. Next, navigate to Google Drive by entering drive.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, you're going to want to locate the Settings option, which is represented by a gear icon. It's usually found at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon and then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. Within the Settings menu, look for the section titled Offline. Here you'll find a checkbox with a description that reads something like, "Create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline." Make sure to check this box. This step is crucial as it enables offline access for your files. Some of you might be prompted to install the Google Docs Offline Chrome extension. If you see this prompt, go ahead and follow the instructions to install the extension as it's essential for offline functionality. This extension bridges the gap between online and offline, allowing your documents to remain accessible regardless of your internet connection. Once the extension is up and running, you have the option to specifically choose which files you want to have available offline. To do this, simply right-click on any file in your Google Drive and select Make Available Offline. By doing so, you're ensuring that this particular file will be accessible for opening or editing even when you're not connected to the internet. Now, here's an important thing to remember. When you're offline and need to access your files, you can open Google Drive or Google Docs as you usually would. Any edits you make will be saved locally on your device. Then, as soon as you reconnect to the internet, these changes will automatically sync to ensure your work is seamlessly updated in the cloud. So, just to recap, always check the offline option in your Google Drive settings, install the required extension if prompted, and right-click files to make them available offline. And there you have it. An easy way to work offline with your Google Drive files while ensuring everything syncs correctly once you're back online. I hope this guide helps you stay productive no matter where you are, even in those pesky no Wi-Fi zones. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.